Okay, just a quick sort of DIY hack video. I'm going on a long ride soon, and those who know would know on hot days you can get a pretty sweaty bot. Basically just sitting on your normal seat, and we're doing some long kilometres, 300 something a day. I was a bit of a cheapskate, as you are with a KLR, to buy the full seat cover. Plus, I don't want it on all the time. I want something I can take on and off real quick if it gets wet, if I just don't want it on. So this is like a 5-second, literally on and off. And it's a pram liner, so a lamb's wool pram liner. So it already has 2 holes here for your kids, the straps, 2 holes here for the straps and 1 for the crutch strap normally. This is normally where the kid sits, their bottom here and up the back of the pram. But yeah, that means you can go over, underneath and over with an ocky strap for the rear. And I just use a little cam lock strap going the same way and around the tank, and I can slide this through without taking the tank off. It just runs perfectly through there. So you can take all this off and on in about 10-20 seconds, and you've got a cover for when you want it on, and then take it off. Perfect.